Hey everyone, it's Ryan at GPI, and today I'm going to talk to you about our transmission cooler kit that we sell on our web store, and also we use in practice here at the shop when we do the cooler installations. This kit uses a Derale Performance Trans Cooler. It's -6AN, in and out. It's fairly compact. These things come in a variety of sizes, widths, and heights. We chose this one because we found that it packages the best overall on like your fitch-ins, the Corvettes. We've used them on C6s, etc., etc. The pickups, you have plenty of room behind the grill. This thing is pretty universal in how you can mount this. So it doesn't have to be done one way or the other. That's up to you at the end of the day, how you want to do it. I personally like letting it run through the radiator first, cutting the metal line that's the return out of the radiator back to the transmission. I like cutting it and doing my plumbing there. So you would put a tube sleeve and a nut on the radiator side of that line, and then on the other side of the line, and you would route your cooler, this guy, with the AN hose in the return side, if you plan to do it that way. Otherwise, you can just cut both of the trans lines going to the factory radiator. You can completely delete the cooler radiator assembly out of the equation and just run this independently. This isn't the biggest cooler, so I find this to be a really good supplemental cooler, and it does work for a standalone cooler as well. But if you're in deep Texas or like down here in the South where you get 100+ degree days, you might want to have this as a secondary and still utilize your radiator for a cooler. Then again, it's preference, but there are a few different ways you can plumb it up. On the 5th gen Camaro, typically in like the lower grill. The reason I don't say the upper grill is because a lot of those cars utilize over the radiator cold air intakes. So putting this up front in front of your air induction is a bad idea, because then you're just sucking hot air that's coming off of this transmission cooler. So I say the lower grill for the 5th gen stuff. Most pickups, anywhere you can fit it and mount it behind the grill will be fine on the pickups. And C6 Vettes, I like it in either the lower grill, or I like it laid flat, kind of like the factory 6th gen trans coolers are. And you'll notice I didn't mention installing this on 6th gens because they already have a really super awesome cooler that's mounted horizontally in the lower bumper, just like this. So it's not very prone to get hit with rocks mounted that way. And you can do that, really you could do that on your 5th gen or your C6 Corvette, as long as you can come up with a good mounting solution bracket-wise to make that work. But typically lower grill areas where we mount these on most applications. We try to offer fittings and the hose and everything to do that for most practical applications. In some rare instances, you may need something additional, depending on how you're packaging it and mounting everything. And what will you need additionally tool-wise? Well, other than your common wrenches, hand tools, you'll need a tubing cutter and a AN flare kit, because when you cut the hard lines to use these tube sleeves and tube nuts, you do have to put them on the line and then flare the line and then pull that back up, and that's how that seals off and works with that union. So it's very basic, but I understand for people that may not have done it, it may be confusing just to get this stuff in a bag and be like, where does all this go? So we don't have a definitive instruction guide because it's very wide open on how you can install these and package them wherever you want to. Comes with 10 feet of AN hose. Like I said, the fittings that you should need for the job, and the cooler. And if we can help you out on deciding and determining how and where you want to mount it and plumb it, certainly reach out through the support channels or any of our affiliates, and we can work with you and figure it out. Thanks for tuning in, and have a good day.